Hi friends, in the last session we have started input and output statements concept, right? And we observed that how to read multiple values from the keyboard in a single line. And for that we observed three cases at the time of reading. So what is the three cases? And first at the time of we are reading, the data will be in the form of string. Okay, so in the string we are splitting. After splitting we are assigning to a comma b, and on that we are applying addition. Okay, this is the result. Okay, case 3. Okay, case 1 and case 2. Where is case 2? Okay, here it is the case 2. Okay, this is case 2 and this is the case 3. Okay, in the case 1 where I'm typecasting, at the time of printing sum of two numbers I'm typecasting here. But in case 2 what I'm doing, at the time of splitting the values, when a is getting, that time I'm typecasting int a and int b. So in case 3 what I'm doing, without I'm typecasting, just I'm adding the two numbers. Okay, if you observe here, a comma b equals to s means directly 10 comma 20 will be assigned. Okay, so that time if you add two strings 10 10 20 directly it will add. Okay, if you typecast to int, then only addition will happen. If you are not typecasting, just strings will add, so the result will be 10 20, right? So today I'm going to explain another program. Okay, another program is nothing but program to read employee. Okay, program to read employee data from the keyboard and print the data and print the data. Looks like very simple program, but observe why I'm explaining. Okay, just reading and printing means for normal sake I'm not explaining. Observe the trick why I'm explaining this program. Reading employee data from the keyboard and printing on the console. So there is some problem. Okay, I will highlight that problem first. Listen. Okay, I'm writing the program now. First I'm taking employee number equal to employee number anyway in the form of int, right? So directly I'm typecasting. Okay, don't get confused. Int of means the string which you are getting, that will be converted into int. Okay, of input of enter employee number, enter employee number. Okay, next employee name equal to input of enter employee name, enter employee name. Next employee salary equal to, anyway salary in the form of floating. Okay, floating means I'm directly typecasting here. Okay, if you are having any confusions why I'm writing here means better to go with the typecasting concept one more time, or in the last session input and output statements part 2, better to watch that video. Okay, if you are not getting clarity why I'm writing float means better to watch the typecasting video, and in the last session input and output statements part 2. Okay, then only you will get clarity why I'm writing here float. Okay, input of enter salary. Next employee address, employee address address is equal to, anyway address also in the form of string only. Okay, and input of enter address, enter address. Next married status. Married is equal to boolean of boolean of sorry boolean of input of boolean of input of married status. Employee married, true or false, true or false. Okay, these only have he has to give end user. Okay, after reading, just I'm printing. Okay, please confirm, please confirm below details, please confirm below details, please confirm below details. What details? Employee number, employee number, ENO, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address, employee married, name, name, employee salary, salary, address, and married. Okay, here ename. Observe here what the variable is there. Just same variable I am writing here. Sal, e address, next married. Okay, this is our program. Okay, so my question is program to read employee data from the keyboard and print the data. Okay, I wrote the I'm reading the data from the keyboard and just I'm printing. Now observe Python test.py. First it is asking employee number. Okay, 101. Employee name. Employee name means Sai Kumar. Salary 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Address Bongir. Okay, married. Suppose if I am giving true. Okay, observe here. Please confirm the below details. Employee number, employee name, employee salary, and employee address, employee married. Okay, here 10,000.0 why I am getting salary, because here I am converting into float. Okay, here I am converting into float, that's why here I am getting 10,000.0. Okay, it is confirmed, right? So this is the details we are getting. So this is case 1. Case 1. Next case 2. Next case 2. Suppose observe here, if I'm giving true, I will run one more time. Employee number 102. Okay, employee number 102, and then giving name Shankar. Okay, employee name Shankar. Salary 20,000. Okay, and the address Chennai. Address Chennai. Employee married. So I'm giving true one more time. Okay, I'm giving true one more time. So the details perfectly we are getting, and there is no any problem. Name, salary, and address, and the married status true means true I'm getting, right? Now let me run one more time. Enter employee number 103, employee name employee name Shankar. Employee name Shankar. Next, employee salary 30,000. Okay, address means Chennai. Okay, employee married. Okay, I'm giving false. Okay, observe here 103 Shankar name, salary 30,000, address and a married status true or false means false. Okay, not married. Okay, now observe the output carefully. Employee number okay, name okay, salary okay, address okay, but married status what I have given false, but what I are getting true. Okay, why we are getting false means whether you remembered one concept or not. At the type of typecasting function, boolean if a boolean empty string false, everything in that case we will get a false only. I mean here boolean of false means some information is there. Empty string 0 0.0, in that case we will get false. Okay, otherwise observe here. See, if I explain overall, you may get confused. Okay, let me go to the previous concept and I will show. If you observe here, in this case, we are going to get only true or false, but not any error. Okay, when Boolean converting, when you are converting something to Boolean. Okay, Boolean of true means what? True. Boolean of false means false. Okay, don't get confused here also. Boolean of false means you are getting true means false is in the form of string. Okay, false we are getting in the form of string, that's why here we are getting true. Okay, next false. Okay, 0 means false. Okay, boolean of false means false. Boolean of 0 false, 0.0 false, 0.876 means some value is there, that time we are getting true. Okay, 0 plus 0 j means false. Okay, empty string false. So in the empty string, so this is the thing in our case is happening when we are reading the data false, boolean of in the form of string false is there. So this is the same like this happening, so that's why here we are getting output as true. Okay, so then how we can resolve this problem? Okay, to resolve that problem, one function is there, eval. Okay, eval is the function is going to resolve your problem. Okay, eval function is going to resolve your problem. Okay, how it will resolve our problem? Observe. Next, how it will resolve means instead of boolean I'm taking eval. Okay, instead of eval I'm taking here boolean eval. Now I'm running this program. Observe carefully. Employee number 103. Okay, Shankar 30,000. Next, Chennai. Okay, married status means false. Okay, married status means false. Okay, if you observe here I have given false. Okay, but here also I am getting false. Okay, so in the previous case it is false, here it is true, because when boolean is function is there, but here false is there. So false eval function is resolved our problem. Okay, eval function is resolved our problem, right? Case 3. Next, so eval is the function is resolved our problem. When we are giving true or false means it is resolved our problem. Okay, Now I have to explain evolve function. Okay, now I have to explain about evolve function. What is evolve function? Okay, evolve function. Evolve function takes a string and evaluate the result. Okay, evolve function takes a string and evaluate the result. Okay, evolve function takes a result and evaluate the result. Evaluate the result. Now observe here how it will evaluate. I'm taking here x is equal to eval of eval of. I'm taking in the form of string 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Okay, normally what is the result? 70, 90 and 100. Okay, so this is the expression and it evaluates and it is going to give the result. Okay, now observe here. Now I'm printing x. And one more thing, so anyway it is evaluating, so the result is in the form of int or float. Okay, int or string. Okay, int or float or string. What is the type of x? Okay, I want to know. Okay, observe now. Anyway 100 it evaluates. Okay, based on the previous explanation, it is going to evaluate, so the result will be 100. Okay, once it is 100, x means 100 will print. But what is the type of x? Int or float or string? Okay, observe what is the result. Okay, make sure the result is always based on runtime. What is it? Okay, evaluate function is take string and evaluate the result. Okay, clear, right? So if you are having any questions, please ping your questions in the comment section. Okay, and I want to read the expression from the keyboard dynamically. Okay, I want to explain one example. What is how I will take means eval of input of eval of input of 10. Okay, what I will do, enter expression. Okay, enter expression. Okay, whatever the expression you will give, based on that it is going to evaluate and it is going to print the result. Okay, now observe here python test.py. So what I am doing, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Okay, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. Okay, so at runtime I'm giving the expression, eval function is evaluating and giving the result. Clear? So this is purpose of evaluate function. Don't underestimate eval function. In future I will use this concept every time. Okay, in future I will use this concept every time, because why I have explained this small program means, you may think that what is there in this program means, to highlight this problem with the boolean function. So that's why I decided to explain this program. Okay, boolean false means it is going to return result as true. Okay, if I explain through this program, you will feel that eval function will play the role in sometimes. Okay, mostly I will use in future, so that's why I'm explaining evaluate function. Okay, so if you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to my email ID in the description or post your query in the comment section. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching the video. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more concepts. Okay, thank you.